As you might be able to tell, my beauty blenders have come to the end of their lifespan. But then I remembered MCoBeauty sent me this like 6 months ago, and it's like a mini washing machine for your beauty blenders. I haven't even used it. Oh! Stop. I got given some batteries. I don't know why I've never used this before. I have to put in some warm water. I think. What do I do with this? I worked out you gotta clip this onto there. Like that. And then we need like a drop or two of dishwashing liquid. Look at it go. I think she's done. Oh. This is how they look side by side. Let's repeat the process. I think that beauty blender was a bit big for it. It didn't really work well, but it worked for this one.